Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today's vlog is going to be about unboxing. So unboxing and I'm so excited. Joe is here, and DJI, as usual, he's playing his FIFA. Papa is here. I had my eye on it for like so long. Ani Pearl, Ani Pearl, Megan and Joseph Sarki Rautali can Nethol Kaimron. Ani it arrived today. Sarko open korunda pita. So it's this. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and I have been wanting to buy this, and yeah, so I was a bit debating, like, you know, geunaka and magi raichitne mas birthday is Allah, so why don't I treat myself, you know. About this vlogging camera is going to be very useful because it's like the smallest camera and then I can vlog in public. Kita ushkon maka phone ba geon maka lost this public space here. Kita lo poita ino maka sarki lost this stuff. So yeah, I'm a bit shy like that. So they've given a nice pouch. So I bought the creators combo, which you get, like, you know, the mic and everything for your camera. So in the pack you get like the Osmo Pocket 3, which is this protective cover, DJI mic, 2 transmitters, and then you get like a handle, a handle thread, battery handle, mini tripod, and C-type cable, carrying bag, DJI mic 2 clip magnet, angle lens, DJI wrist strap. So this is the mic, and I think this is the battery handle. And that is the tripod. Ani cable. Yeah, what's this? Oh, this is the protective cover. So I need to like assemble this like. So let's have a look. Just going to twist koruzata like that, like do it this way.
Bye. Oh my God! Wow! Hi.
So guys, Ami Krishmal tingo itayata. Car seat supply na teka. And Ami Krishmal ting kita itay zanto. Oh, camera ti sarki Sean hali. Nothing dakupa hoita ani tencha reaction shoot kottani. Okay, so guys, I'm Pauli tenchitiya ani atumko attan dakuita tencha reaction. Huh?
Dako screen dako ego.
So, cause it's slow.
Bore this.
Huh?
So माझे व्लॉग येतो की झाले या इथून तो जो रोकडे दो येतले जो तेरा है वो मेरा है
साइडच्या नडपासून काढू दरवाजा
तुम्हाला फुलोय ना माका रूमा
जसं कस दिसलं माझा एक कॅमेरा जसं हां कस दिसलं
ती आहे मग पिल्लू
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Så Megan har reaction, ja. Makanya video bakar Pak. Sharing is caring.
राव आता हे कसं करपाचें हें सायडीन बीन दाखय मग विचार दाखय मुगो
सकल.
Potato.
So this is potato. Pane कितें?
Cabbage. Cabbage.
Detour di.
Kothmir. Mint leaves. नीचे हरी भाजी हल्दी की मौके
Moke? Wow.
ये मौका
पोटान आते
अंडम किती शिगो
किती
शिगो
दाखय.
शिंगो
फ्रेंच
फ्रेंच बीन मेरे थे
माझी मज
Ani कितें ha?
पालक दूध ह्या पण
I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, share kindness and let love guide you. Bye bye.